Hello, this is Gare Moore, and I've got a pretty interesting device to show you. This is a Space Age Hangman game from the 80's, I think. I have repaired and modded this. You can, if we look on the back, I replaced the battery terminals and moved the reset button. Original reset button was down here. I moved it up here, and we got the two switches here for this turns the audio on and off, and this is for the backlight circuit. I had to put in a switch for the backlight circuit because some of the keystrokes weren't registering if the backlight was on. So it still works. Turn on the backlight so you can see it better. This backlight's pretty dim. I'm gonna play it now. There's two words. Let's try A. And we've got like what I mean. Some of the keystrokes don't register. Just try I. No O's. No U. I have no idea what this could be. L. I know what this is. Light. Year. I hooked up an LED to the speaker terminals as well. We're going to turn this off. I'm going to show you. I'm going to stop and type in something. I'm back typing it in. And I got the audio on this time so I can hear what it sounds like. Interestingly, actually, it's your own name, boy. No backlight. Yeah, there we go. No. Now it looks like we're back to typing and stuff. And also made sure that when you turn off the device, the backlight also turns off. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on social media, watch my other videos, and support me by buying from my stores. Links are in the link tree. Goodbye.